Hi guys, my name is Jasmine Jaikodi and I'm one of Sir Dilip's past students. So before I start, I want you all to picture yourself in a living room having a chat with your friends. You would be relaxed and comfortable talking to them. The same applies when public speaking, or so I have been told. But what I have come to learn is that the human brain starts working the moment you are born and never stops until you stand up to speak in public. You may be thinking that professional speakers are just natural born public speakers, that the talent has been passed on from generation to generation. But public speaking is also a teachable skill. That means that if any one of you listening to this wants to speak like any famous speaker, then yes, you can. We all can. Firstly, as I said before, anyone can become a professional speaker. The beginning will be hard, yes, but you only require 3 necessities. Be inspired, have courage, and always believe in yourself. Believe that when you are standing in front of a massive audience, that you have the capability to give a mind-blowing presentation. Have a passion towards what you're speaking about. Just start speaking somewhere, maybe at school or even at a club like Toastmasters. Start somewhere and speak about what you are familiar with. Let me give you a small background into who a professional speaker is. It is someone who makes a living by giving speeches and presentations. They charge an amount for their time, they invest in marketing and promoting their work, and they are also able to provide customized material. Now they earn their living off in 2 ways. Firstly, they can give free speeches where they do not charge for their presentations. But don't worry, this can always be done in hopes of promoting themselves. Or they can be having an ulterior motive of selling their books. The other type is fee speeches when you can charge for your presentations. The average salary of a professional speaker in Sri Lanka can vary from over 2,000 rupees to even 2 million rupees per year. Well, that sounds like a lot of money, right? So, if any of you are interested in pursuing professional speaking, I think these few tips can take you a long way. Firstly, always relate to people. If you are an extrovert, then also try to target and appeal to the introverts out there. Grow from sensing to nurturing, care for your audience, and make them feel loved and protected. Reach beyond thinking to feeling. Understand what others are going through and appeal to their emotions. Avoid judging your audience and try perceiving. Notice and be aware of the difficulties that other people are feeling. Understand that they have become a certain way due to the circumstances that they have faced in their lives. Furthermore, when giving a speech, it is not enough to just know the content. Know how to sell your presentation. Make it unique and appealing. Try to figure out what makes you different from all the other professional speakers out there in the world. You will also need a certain set of skills to becoming a professional speaker. You can use humor, stories, anecdotes, physical gestures, and emotional appeals. And most importantly, you can use your voice. You can vary your tone up and down. Talk really fast to get people excited, or to slow right down to get someone's attention. The last 2 points are handling your environment. Where you work and live matters. If your work environment is surrounded with negative energy, then it can reduce your momentum and demotivate you. Always make sure that you work in a positive and engaging environment where every day you are inspired to be more creative and more successful in your speaking career. Before I finish, the most important tip that I can give is to keep your emotions in check. Public speakers are out there under the eye of thousands and thousands of people, and they may not always have the most positive comments. So be able to handle criticism. And I cannot express this enough. Their opinions and hateful comments should never be able to demotivate you. As I said in the beginning, believe in yourself and practice more than ever, and know that you gave your best out there. Also keep in mind that if your target is to encourage, empower, educate, and enlighten people, then you have already taken the first step towards professional speaking. Thank you.